The Divi summer sale starts now, and that means this is your chance to get our biggest discount on Divi memberships and upgrades. You can also find huge discounts of up to 50% off in the Divi marketplace, where you can explore hundreds of incredibly useful Divi modules, layouts, and child themes. Plus, you can get up to 40% off Divi Cloud, our new cloud storage system for Divi designers. Whether you are new to Divi or already an avid Divi user, there are a lot of great deals to be excited about. The other great thing about signing up during our summer sale is that you get to keep your Divi and Divi Cloud discounts forever and on all future renewal payments. So those savings really add up over time, and it only takes a moment to sign up. We only bring out these discounts a few times per year and only for a short time. That means if you miss the summer sale, you'll have to wait a while before these discounts return. Swing by elegantthemes.com/summer to access the sale before it ends.